Did you know that animal videos are one of the most popular niches on YouTube and Instagram? Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can tap into this lucrative niche just by using the videos of a Chinese application, translating them into English, adding a little bit of humor, and re-uploading them to other platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. And the best part? Since YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are banned in China, the probability of you getting copyright issues is close to zero. And we're going to add our own scripts and voiceovers to make these videos our own. And not just that, we're going to add AI to automate our workflow, and even bring in some affiliated products like pet food or accessories from Amazon and ClickBank, so you can even get some supplemental income through affiliate marketing. Let's get started on this step-by-step guide. Make sure you watch the entire video because every step is important. Step 1. Download the Chinese app. Open your browser and look for the Kishu app and download it on your mobile phone. After downloading and installing it, use the app to search and find the pages that contain popular animal content. I found, for instance, a page with many followers containing interesting animal videos. Step 2. Downloading and organizing the videos. After copying the link, proceed to download your wanted video using the Qui Video Downloader. Quality of the video is also a paramount concern. You want to ensure that you have it directly saved to your Google Drive for quality storage. Next step, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Step 3. Translation and customization. Now for the translation and customization process. Since the videos are originally in Chinese, our next task here is to translate them in English. We will use Vidna's AI in order to translate in no time. It is free for you to use, but if you want a premium account with more tools and settings, use the code IERA10 for 10% off. You can find the link in the description below. Select free tools and then AI Video Translator. Upload your video, choose the language that you would wish to do a translation to, and if you would like the whole video translated or the audio only. Now let's take a look at the result.
In the video, the golden retriever with the baby called the tire owner. He was busy with work. He would take the little master out for a ride. The little master said that he wanted to eat ice cream. He immediately went to the supermarket door to buy ice cream for the little master, and the owner of the supermarket was accustomed to it, because he often helped the owner buy things, very kind and diligent, and the owner was happy to eat ice cream. Then take the little master to play the merry-go-round. It is the owner's right-hand man. The little master did not dare to play with the slide. He'll demonstrate it first. Also play knock on the board together. A good friend of the host. Do you like such a cute dog?
Step 4. Monetize your content. Lastly, to earn from the video, include affiliated products related to the videos such as pet food, as well as toys. Afterward, you include them as affiliate links in your video description, or even pin some as comments to increase your sales. Whenever an order is placed via your links, you are paid a certain amount, which all accumulates to your earnings, making your content not only interesting, but income earning as well. By following this AI automation process, you can create a faceless YouTube channel that engages viewers, leading to views, which in turn lead to money. Remember, consistency is key. So conduct your own research and experiment with more creative ideas. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI content. If you want help out of the matrix, AI Era has got your back. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next faceless YouTube sensation. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.